Got these stainless steel exhaust tips on my car. I'll take a wet rag, clean this up. Any loose dirt and things off that, get as clean as I can get it. Just dry this. And to really polish this up nice, I'm going to use some Mother's mag and aluminum polish. Using this product for years, it's amazing. It's got a little bit on the rag, nice clean 100% cotton rag. Rub that in. And I've got a clean, dry rag. Just wipe this off, polish it up. Oh, it's amazing how well that product works. And there's where I just cleaned, and over here is I didn't polish or clean this side. See the dirt and pits and stuff. This side, super crazy smooth. This side over here is a little bit on the rough side, but easy to do, and it just looks so much better. Be sure and check out my other videos.